So, good morning everyone. Today we have Himang Sharma on Walk the Talk. So, Himang, can you please introduce yourself?
So, hello everyone, I am Himang Sharma and I am from Punjab, and currently I am pursuing my integrated BD MBA from UCS Dehradun. All this about me.
So, today we are going to discuss on a very debatable topic of whether is it possible for you to have a successful career and a happy family at the same time.
So, yes, I think that we should have both of them if we manage well our career as well and our family life as well. And a person should achieve both the things at the same time also.
So, how do you think we can actually do this? How they can actually achieve this balance with people?
While talking about balance, that he should manage well his family life by clearing its communication well with his family also. With the clear-cut communication, he can understand, and the family also understand his viewpoints that he should focusing more on its career also, because the career also is important at the same time. If we are talking about the family importance, the career is also very important. So his family should also have to understand well that he should focusing both on the at the same time.
Okay, Himang, where do you think this question actually comes from? Why do you think this question is actually a debate, really?
Yes, it is a very debate and a controversial question that comes from the people mind that a person who is focusing more on his career is neglecting his family as well. But I think that the person who has a good career path, who is achieving many things in its career, should have a good managing things of managing its family life also.
Okay, so what about people who are more focused on their career? What suggestion would you give them to actually have a more connect with their family?
The suggestions are very clear that the persons who are more focusing on the career, they should have a meaningful time with their family also. It's not a matter of time that they are giving equal to its career and to its family, but it is a that they have a clear opinions about its career and its family.
And as a student, Himang,
Yes.
as you are right now creating your own career, so how is your own career and your family life going right now?
Right now, my career is in a good pace, and my family life is also going smoothly. We can say that in student life, right now, as I am a student, so in a student life, the career not matters the most, but the family life also matters. If we can say that in student life there is no any issues rising from the family, but if we are at the marriage stage and while marrying, we have to focusing more on the new things as well. So I think that there is some issue regarding the happy family life in that.
Okay, Himang. So as we are discussing this topic, a lot of people who are at the top of their fields, they have a very happy family life as well, right? So what do you think? How do you think actually they achieved this?
I think that they have achieved because of their more focusing on the career and its family life. Because if we are talking about only about the career, so its family life is also get disturbed. So I think that they have more focus on both the things, so that there is no any mental pressure on their mind, because the mental pressure can affect their career also.
And
So I think that they should manage well.
And what's the best technique that you actually use, or would you suggest to students to use to have that balance?
So I believe that there is no any specific technique to achieve both the things. We should have a clear mindset about our family also and our about career also, because the career is also important while managing the family life is also important. So they have to give the meaningful time to their family also and to their social circle also, so that they can achieve both the things at the same time.
So, as we are reaching the end of this, Himang, do you have anything you wish to add to this?
Specifically, I want to tell the many people that they should focus both the things at the same time, and they should not only focusing on the one thing better in a, they should focus more on the in a effective and efficient way and manage well their family life, so that there is no any mental pressure on their mind. So it will be a beneficial for them also to get a more focus on their career as well, because what I believe is that the family is not against your career, it's against your time that you are not giving to them. So all.
Okay, Himang, so it was great talking to you.
Okay, thank you, Shubham.
Thank you, Himang.